video, bro. You. With Miguelito.
Shuttle rides.
Yep.
Oh, the elevation's killing me, bro.
The Mexican assassin.
Hey, they got me, but I left. I ran.
Oh, sumubra na tayo. Oh, yeah, that one. Alright.
Oh yeah, that's what I was telling them earlier. Like, dude, your guys' bikes feel like they're carbon fiber. After picking up an e-bike.
I know. The e-bike out.
Yo, shout out, bro. Here you go, Miguelito, the Mexican assassin. Yeah.
Back to Cali.
Yeah, baby.
Like the old days, baby.
Yeah. Mother, father.
It's so hard.
Uh-huh. Man, fresh from Hawaii. Maui, right?
Oh yeah. Still got salt.
Uh-huh.
Still got the salt.
What do you want to do first?
We can go back to Bumpy.
Yeah, it's up to you. Where you guys want?
Do a first run together.
Yeah. Yeah.
There's only one jump that I didn't hit.
Which one?
It's on the left. It's kind of long. It's because the lip is really flat.
Warm up for me, but
I'll follow
it's
you.
up to you. No. Warm up for us, bro.
Go, Nigel.
Bro, Jill.
Alam mo naman ako, dyan sila ako ngayon.
Yeah, pares tayo.
Pares tayo lang yan.
Videographer lang ako nito ni Brady.
Go north.
Okay, go. Let's go. Go, buddy! The Mexican assassin right over here. Live at concert. Bro, left and there, left. No, I'm telling yeah, there you go, left. Yun.
Oh, freeloader.
Yeah, preloader. Uploader. Oh, there's a tree. Oh yeah. Oh shoot, dirty ngayon, dirty. Yan lang bro, diretso natin sa baba. Preloader with Miguelito and Rigel leading. Strong one, oh. Analog, baby. Oh, bumalik tayo. Alright. Preloader with the Mexican assassin Miguelito and Rigel and lead. Man. Basti, baby. I can see nothing. Oh shoot, they made it. Yeah. Oh shit, di na makita, putrak la. Oh, whoa. That's nice, huh? That's a lot. May makita eh. I'll tell you. You good. Up tall, hold. Hold tall. Okay, go. Okay, go. Oh, just follow him. Yeah, that's right, man. Pangit. Balki. Matalbog. What the fudge? Dali na. Wala, puro iwas ako. Wala sa mood. Hoy! Sa kayo! Dito tol! Hoy! Balik kayo rito! Back here! Where are you guys going? This one! Bagay. Mexican assassin coming.
There you go. Perfect. Dang it, bro.
You. Yeah, left. Go ahead. Left. Dito, diretso. Yeah. Ah. You. Yeah, go derecho, go straight. Yeah. Pastilan. Ang bilis mo. Up camber. Go. Yeah, get it. You strong, Miguelito. Good job. Natal, blood pressure okay? All right. That's bullied.
Bigger, but again, with a little looking higher too. Yeah.
Lakas ni Miguelito.
Get the run in, get the speed. Yeah.
Oh shit.
Naligaw tayo sa parking.
Bakit? Ano gagawin?
Mga halaman.
Ayop! Adik na sa halaman si brother! Yan ang gusto ko sa'yo eh. Jill. Yan ang gusto ko sa'yo. Pasalubong na agad ang iniisip mo eh. Bro. Bro, New Year's resolution ba yan, bro? New Year's resolution? New Year's resolution mo yan? Halaman naman ngayon, ha? Iba ka talaga, brother. Morning. One more behind. Yeah. Oh shoot. Other bother. Times like this, you have to walk your bike. It's okay. Not to compromise your pedal. Your chain, rather. Ganda rito. Bro, picture of us, for us. Yeah? Picture of us. Let's picture, para you have a remembering.